Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video, I'm going to show you how on a Bolex 816 Reflex to engage and disengage the spring motor. So if you've just gotten your Bolex, and it just so happens that this knob right here, this little lever, is actually down like this, that causes an issue. Because if you actually try to wind up your Bolex, it's not going to do it because the motor's been disengaged. This little lever right here, the silver lever, needs to be up here to M-O-T, to engage the motor. So just simply take your finger, move it straight up, and you'll be able to wind the motor. Let's take a good look at that. So again, as you can see at the end of my pencil eraser, the silver lever arm right here is set to MOT. This means the motor is engaged. This means that I can take the winder handle, lock it in securely, and wind the Bolex. Put this back down, stick it in the pin down there, and now I can film by pressing the film button here or here. And that's it. So now you know how it works. Do contact me at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page for parts, questions, and servicing. The same, Bolex Repair Philippines at gmail.com. Do click that bell down there and subscribe. Also, reach me faster at Twitter at Paul Morbid. And for gory experimental horror films, visit the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.